Hello guys, I'm your host Ali Khan, and today I'm going to teach you how to upload chart of account in S4HANA. So I have taken all the four categories: capital, expense, revenue, and secondary account. These are the four accounts. I will show you how to upload in the chart of account. So four accounts I'm taking, then you can make it whole trial balance and you can upload it. So we start first before updating the file LTMC, we have to collect some data like I have collected before that, so it will be easy for us. So chart of account, we must know our chart of account name. T code is this. GL account, account type. We can start with one by one. I will show you. For chart of account, go to OB13. If you don't know OB13, from here you can find your chart of account. Like my case is this. So just to make sure that the chart of account code is abbreviation is correct, copy from there OB13. Then GL account, which GL account you want to upload. Like if you have trial balance, it's a number of accounts. So I have taken four accounts. Each of them I have different nature. As I told you that one is capital, that has a credit nature, expense account, primary account, primary cost account. It has a debit account, a revenue account, primary revenue account. It has a credit and secondary account for controlling purpose. It has a debit account. So you must know the GL account you want to upload. Then GL account type. As you can see that there are different balance sheet, primary costs, non-operating. These are the by default, and you can check it out here as well in FS00. So like if I open this account, so these are the four types: balance sheet, non-operating, primary, and secondary. So you must know the type which you want to assign. Like for balance sheet, if you have, I will show you the range. Range is the important. You cannot assign a range which is for balance sheet to some expense account. So you should be uh, sure about this thing. Then this is the main thing. The second part, retain ending key. This might make you confused. Go to OP53, select your chart of account. So every company has different this key. I have used RE. In standard it is KE. Okay, so whatever you have defined here, it can be A, it can be any abbreviation. So at the time of configuration, whatever you define, this is a retain ending key. So this you must know this key. So for this OB53 is the T code. Go there and just check it out what is the retain ending key. And these, as I mentioned, profit and loss account type, these are necessary for SP and N account. There are four types of account: general ledger account, XP, and X is for balance sheet. Okay, so we don't need this key, retain ending key, for balance sheet, but for others, all three, we need this key. So key is this: whatever you have defined here. If you have mentioned ABC, write ABC RE. Standard one is X as per SAP. So this is the main thing. Most people get confused about this thing. What is this? Retain ending key. So this is necessary for these three: non-operating, primary, and secondary. Means other than balance sheet, you have to mention this key. I will show you here. So in my case, my key is RE. So I have mentioned for these three accounts: primary, secondary, which I'm going to upload. But for balance sheet, I did not mention this because it is not required. Okay. GL account group, you can see that it's a balance sheet. This is a profit and loss, and last one is secondary account. So going back to our sheet, then controlling area, account group. Account group you can find out with FS00, but you have to write the abbreviations like this, BSPL. So if you're not sure, go to OBD4. OBD4. Find your company, chart of account. So this is my chart of account, but these are the account group abbreviation you have to use. Okay. So if you put this, it might give you error. So use this BSPL, whatever you have used here, you can use these one like this BSPL SEC. So this we have taken from here. Then controlling area. If you don't know, you can go there and select your OX06. You can find your controlling area. OX03. This one is OX06. OX06. So this is my controlling area, ZLBC. If you know that, you don't need to go there. Cost elementary group, as you know that these are for primary costs, like okay, this secondary account. For secondary, it's different. I can show you some. This is our primary. So these are the cost elementary group, as you know that. And there are different kind of for expense. You can use this 0, 1 for revenue, 11 for discount. You can use 12. So accordingly, you can use. So cost elementary groups, you have to select these according to your account. So for expense, we will use 0, 1, and I will show you. These are the ones. You can see that for balance sheet, we don't need any cost elementary group, but for others, we have to mention it. 0, 1 for the expense, 11 for the revenue, and 42 as it is a secondary. So for secondary, there are different range they will provide. So then valid form 2, it's not mandatory, but it gives warning error message. So better you can mention some date here. From and to account currency according to your country. Field status, yeah, field status, whatever you want to mention it. Here it is, field status. So general, use general for all, and for secondary you can use different one. Like for secondary you can use this, and for all others up to your requirement. You can, I have used this G001 for all other than secondary. And language key is English. That's it. So this is just a snapshot for your understanding. Okay, so these accounts we are going to upload in chart of account. So before uploading the chart of account, you must define the name of the chart of account. Then controlling area should be there, account groups should be there, and most importantly, this retain earning key is there and the account retain ending account is there. So these are the mandatory things. After that, you can upload the chart of account. So we are going to upload these four accounts, and these are the nature. How we will go? We will go to LTMC slash m LTMC. So as we are using this project name, you can create a new project name every time. It's up to you. So we are using this for APAR. So I'm using the same one for chart of account. So right here, account, easy for you to remember. We have done this GL account balance, receivable, payable. These three we have done already. So remaining is GL. Bank and fixed asset after that. So GL account, we are going to upload GL account or chart of account. So just click there and download the file. I'm not going to download it because I already downloaded. So just I'm telling you how to download. Just click this button, it will download, and the same file will come here. So now I will show you the file. Let's check it out if there is something called, just do this unprotected, easy for you for copy paste. Okay, going back. Okay, this is chart of account. Then the GL account you want to upload, your whole chart of account will be here, other than retain earning, because retain earning you already defined. This is mandatory. So other than retain earning, you have to mention all the accounts. GL type, account type, as I told you, that what kind of type you want to upload. You have gathered all the information, so I'm not going to repeat again all the things. So just I want to show you. Account type, profit and loss, key, this I told you, important. Group, balance sheet, profit and loss or secondary. As there is no static, so I did not put anything there. Controlling area, there's no static, but for balance sheet, it will not give error. But if you are uploading expense account or secondary account, it gives error or warning. So better you always put a controlling area. Then cost element entry group, accordingly for expense 01, revenue 11, and secondary 42. And the valid date is date from this, and for there you can write 999 instead of 2021. So you can write 31st 12 999. Then the next sheet, same trade account, currency according to your country, and this is the field. So G01 for all three balance sheet expense, and for secondary I have used this one. Now the name, key in English, name, any name you can write, capital or short. So then the keywords, anything you can write. I mean, we are not using, but they have mentioned static, so we have to use. As you can see that here we never mention, like in this case, we never use this thing. But this wages will come automatically. We never mention this. But here it is mandatory, so just copy paste the same thing. So these are the main mandatory things we have done. So go back to LTMC, upload the file. This is the file name. Chart of account. Mhm. Okay, now select this, activate it. Start transfer. So information is the only problem. If there is error, then it's a problem. Nothing there. So first time you have to map it. Next time you don't need to. Controlling area, controlling area. So we have to mention our controlling area here. ZLBC. Enter it. Uh, Search name of the controlling area. So now green sign is there. Sometimes this strange thing happen. Balance sheet B, target value, primary cost revenue. It is for type, general ledger type. So general ledger type, balance sheet, primary, secondary. Looks fine. P for primary, secondary balance sheet. Looks fine. For balance sheet, what is why it is right? For balance sheet, it is X. I never put. See, for balance sheet, it is X. So there are two ways you can do one by one. Select this, confirm mapping, or other way is that in the end we just select all and confirm mapping. So up to you. You can do this, select it, then confirm mapping one by one. This is so the target is okay. So green. So this button is for check. Cost elementary. Controlling area. Source target. Both are same. So normally this doesn't happen. I don't know why it is. So these are the accounts which we are. I don't know. Whenever you upload previously, it shows also the previous one. Last one, English. Yeah, English. So save. So now select all, confirm mapping. Gone. Next, third level. Hopefully it will work. Warning. It should not be warning because sometimes it creates power source 103001 key balance sheet in local currency. Okay, it's okay. There's saying that you have to mention it that it should be local currency in here in template. You have to mention that it is local. So it's all this one will not, I think, create any problem. Key balance sheet finish. Finish. Now we will go there and check our accounts. So what are the accounts? So our accounts are, so one by one we are going to check the account whether it is uploaded. So these are the account 103 103 011. See, it is coming there. Although we got warning, but it uploaded. So balance sheet name is capital M. So everything whatever you have mentioned there, it is there. Other one is 411 411. So it is there. Expense primary category Canadian dollar. Same with revenue 304 this one, and the last one is the secondary 46. This one secondary items. So its status group is this SECC. Category is 42. This is controlling thing which you want to assign for assessment or internal order. So that's it. So we successfully upload the chart of account, and thank you for watching video. So next task is fixes and bank. Hopefully we will do this thing soon, and until then, thank you so much. If you like the video, please press like button and share it. Goodbye and good luck for your future.